Hi everyone, this is the Math 10C Polynomials Review Package. This is written response 6D. I'm being asked to expand and simplify. And so what I've got here is a trinomial multiplied by a trinomial. Now if you think about this just in terms of distribution, okay, and that every term here gets distributed to every term here, all this is just a little bit longer. Okay, there's nothing really horrible about this problem here. So I'm going to start with this negative 2x squared. I'm going to distribute it to all three of those terms. So there's going to be a group of three products here associated with this first term. Negative 2x squared by 3x squared is going to be negative 6x to the fourth. A square by a square is going to be the fourth here. Negative 2x squared times negative 2x is going to be positive 4x cubed. You add the powers. Negative 2x squared by negative 3 is going to be positive 6x squared. Okay, now I have multiplied this by all three of those terms. Now I move on to the second term in this trinomial. 7x by 3x squared is going to be 21x squared. X cubed. X cubed. 7x multiplied by negative 2x is going to be minus 14x squared. 7x times negative 3 is negative 21x. Now I move on to that last term. 6 by 3 multiplied by 3x squared will become 18x squared. 6 multiplied by negative 2x will be negative 12x. 6 multiplied by negative 3 will be negative 18. Okay, that's a long one here. Now I'm just going to group together like terms. Well, there is nothing that's like that first term, so there is only one x to the fourth term, so we leave it. There are, however, two terms that are x cubed, so there's a 4 and a 21, so together that's going to be 25x cubed. I've got three terms here that have an x squared in it. There's 6x squareds here, minus 14 plus 18. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do it this way. Negative 14 plus 18 is going to be 4, plus 6 will be 10x squared. Now I'm looking for just x terms. Well, there's a negative 21 and a negative 12, so that's going to be negative 33x. And finally, there's nothing to group together with the constants, so I just leave it as negative 18. So there we go. There's our answer.